I bought this bin, 13-gallon bin, 5 years ago, September 2019, and it worked fantastically. And I only had to change the batteries once. It works with 4 D-size batteries. And this is the old lid. The only reason I had to change it or buy a new lid is because I dropped it by accident and the lid snapped off right here. It's supposed to connect right there, and it snapped off. Other than that, the batteries lasted a long time. The unit always opened when I wanted it to, and it was easy to clean. And so it has some trash in here, by the way, so apologies ahead of time. All right, the difference with the replacement and the new one, very subtle. This one came with a container where you can put something to absorb scents. The new one did not come with it. The color of this bracket here on the new one is red. You can see it there, it's red. I'm not gonna take it off, but it works fantastically. It works absolutely fantastic. You just wave your hand over it and it opens, and then after a few seconds it closes, or you can manually open it and close it. Open, close. Very simple operation. And it also came with the new one came with this little lock here. I guess it's a child lock. I don't know how that would work, because every child could figure this out, I think. In any case, that's the only difference. But a fantastic device, and I've had it for 5 years now. And they have all kinds of sales, but on Amazon the lid costs at the time of this about $60-something. All right, take it easy.